2-week series, I'm going to show you my 14 favorite stitches to do while binge watching your favorite TV show or your favorite Netflix series or Amazon Prime or HBO or Stars or Hulu. The list goes on and on. So grab your hook, grab your yarn, grab your remote, and probably a drink, and let's dive right in. Okay, we are on to day 10. Can you believe it? Day 10. This is the shell stitch, and I think it is absolutely beautiful. I love the shell stitch. The shell stitch to me just says baby blanket. It really does. I love the shell stitch. It's just elegant and pretty. It looks pretty in solids. It looks pretty in variegateds. It looks pretty in stripes. I love the shell stitch. The shell stitch tutorial that I would recommend is by TLC. I think it's Tony L. I can't think of her last name. Crochet, and she actually has I think it's 5 stitches on this particular video that is linked below. So she shows you how to do 5 stitches, and the shell stitch is one of them. And I think it's absolutely lovely. I love the shell stitch, and it's really easy. It is not hard at all. If you can do a double crochet, you can do a shell stitch. Actually, if you can do a double crochet, you can do almost all of these stitches. All of the granny stuff, the drunken granny, regular granny, granny squares, granny stripes, granny ripple, corner to corner, they're all double crochet. If you can do a double crochet, you can do almost all of these stitches, guaranteed. All right, I'm gonna let you go there because I've got more stitches to get ready for you for tomorrow. So I will see you then. Have a great day, and grab your hook, grab your yarn, grab your remote, find your favorite show, and get to work. Okay, everybody, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.